Hello everyone, it's Loretta. I wanted to do a follow-up this evening of how I unmounted my stamps. These were on wooden blocks. I'm going to insert a picture somewhere in here that shows the stamps on their blocks inside of a large carrying tote. This is actually 2 totes worth of stamps that I unmounted. About 25 pounds of wood. It's a lot of wood. And by the way, you cannot burn those wood blocks either. Don't do it. They will let off some really nasty gases that will be not so good for you. Anyway, I did want to show you what the difference is, and I hope you will continue along this journey, because in one of my next episodes I'm going to show you how I am storing these guys, and maybe you can glean some tips and tricks from that as well. Thank you so much for joining me, everyone. As usual, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video and share it on your social media. Stamp happy, everyone. Be a blessing. Bye for now.